Proper way to create Google AdSense account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for Google AdSense on Google and simply open it up. After that, you would be able to find this option of get started at the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it. After that, you need to select the Google account for which you want to create the Google AdSense. And after selecting that particular account, you would require some information in order to fill up the information on Google AdSense, like your website or your name and other sort of details. After providing all the details and creating your account, this is how your account will look like. Now on the home page itself, you would have to provide the information of your payments and every other thing, like your address, the country you are from, and it is better to provide the country where you are actually residing in order to get the payments safely. And also at the top bar, you would be able to see this action. You just have to click on this option of action and provide the payment info and tax related information. And in case if the Google AdSense is related to your blog or your website, simply connect your website over here. And in case it is related to YouTube channel, then after connecting your YouTube channel, this is how it will appear, AdSense for YouTube, and you would be able to check out your information regarding your YouTube AdSense. And also just simply click on this option of payments, then click on this option of payments info and wait for it. Here you get different options, whether it is for the website or the YouTube. So just simply select it and provide the information accordingly. The tax rules are different for different countries and you can provide the tax information accordingly. For some countries, if you are just operating on the YouTube and not on the website, then the tax rules might be different. So this way, just provide the information and you would be able to create the Google AdSense quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.